Hello, this is Adam, the car seat tech with infant, toddler, youth, and the pump station and nursery, and we're going to show you how to convert your Graco 4Ever car seat from harness mode to backless booster mode. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is you need to change your recline and make sure that the red arrow is pointed to the green number 6 for booster mode. So on the front of the chair, you're going to squeeze the recline trigger and just make sure the chair is at the most upright possible. Next, we need to move the latch connectors from the rear-facing slot up to the front-facing slot because the back is coming off the bottom and the connectors are attached to the back part. So we need to make sure that we're getting it out of the way. So if they are into storage, you're going to push the red button to disconnect it. We're going to open up the fabric. We're going to pull the latch connectors out. And we're going to feed them up through the front-facing slot and connect them to the front-facing storage. So that's just one strap coming out from each side. Next, you're going to want to loosen up the straps as much as possible. So hold the gray button on the front, pull on the shoulder, and get it nice and loose. You can then turn the car seat around, and both of the shoulder straps are connected to this metal clip. So we're going to disconnect it completely. And now the metal bracket should be empty. It's not connected to either of the shoulder straps. We're going to come back to the front of the car seat here. We're going to move the fabric out of the way once again. And right inside the car seat, there are these red tabs here. We're going to lift the red tabs up. You're going to slide them toward the middle of the car seat. Once both red tabs are in the middle, we can now remove our back. All right, we're going to slide the red tabs back to the side. We're going to close them. There is a groove in the plastic for the crotch buckle, so that way it stays out of the way when the child is sitting in here. And there's actually a groove right here for the clip that attaches to the shoulder straps. So we're going to slide that in. We're going to tighten. So now it's going to be held in place. And now your Graco is ready for backless booster mode. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you next time.